Why are empty strings returned in split results? What is the point of /segment/segment/dot-split/returning segment? Notice the empty elements. If you're splitting on a delimiter that happens to be at position 1 and at the very end of a string, what extra value does it give you to have the empty string returned from each end?
str.split complements str.join, so gets you back the original string. If the empty strings were not there, the first and last slash would be missing after the join.
More generally, to remove empty strings returned in split results, you may want to look at the filter function. Example: returns.
There are two main points to consider here. Expecting the result of /segment/segment/dot-split/ to be equal to segment is reasonable, but then this loses information. If split worked the way you wanted, if I tell you that a dot-split/ equals segment, you can't tell me what A was. What should be the result of A//B dot-split? B? A, B? Or A, B? I.e., should split merge adjacent delimiters? If it should, then it will be very hard to parse data that's delimited by a character, and some of the fields can be empty. I am fairly sure there are many people who do want the empty values in the result for the above case. In the end, it boils down to two things. Consistency. If I have n delimiters in A, I get n plus 1 values back after the split. It should be possible to do complex things, and easy to do simple things. If you want to ignore empty strings as a result of the split, you can always do. But if one doesn't want to ignore the empty values, one should be able to. The language has to pick one definition of split. There are too many different use cases to satisfy everyone's requirement as a default. I think that Python's choice is a good one, and is the most logical. As an aside, one of the reasons I don't like C-struct is because it merges adjacent delimiters, making it extremely hard to do serious parsing/tokenization with it. There is one exception: a dot split without an argument squeezes consecutive white space, but one can argue that this is the right thing to do in that case. If you don't want the behavior, you can always do a dot split dot.
I'm not sure what kind of answer you're looking for. You get 3 matches because you have 3 delimiters. If you don't want that empty one, just use
What